Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 160 divided 40 bracket 2 plus 2. So let's solve this. In this type of question, we have to follow certain rules to get correct answer always. So what these rule? This is order of operation, that is PEMDAS or BODMAS rule, where P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D and M, D is division, M in multiplication, both have same priority. And in case of addition and subtraction, they have also the same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. So if we see that first parenthesis, that is bracket, so first solve the bracket, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now there is no sign between 40 and 4, so always there is a sign multiplication comes here. Write the rest like this. So 160 divided by 40 times 4. Now it's your choice. You can solve it from first division or multiplication. So I'm solving from left to right. So 160 divided by 40 times 4. So it's 4 times 4, that is 16. I hope it's clear. If you follow rules, you will always reach at the correct solution. I hope it's useful and you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.